Welcome to the future of display technology with Crystal Fonts America. I'm Aaron. Today we're diving into 3 phenomenal 5-inch displays that are designed to enhance your user experience, whether inside or out. Let's get started. First up, we have the CFAF 800-480E3-050SW display. This 5-inch capacitive touch RGB display features overhanging glass, perfect for a smooth and seamless mounting. Imagine this on the front panel of a mid-sized appliance, or as a dash-mounted display in your car or boat. Thanks to its high brightness backlight and IPS technology, the screen remains readable even in direct sunlight, delivering a stunning graphical user interface with 16 million colors, visible from any angle. And it doesn't stop there. This display is also available as part of an EVE module, simplifying graphics and touch handling for your project. Next, we have the CFAF 800-480E3-050SR display. It's a 5-inch screen designed for all-weather use. This resistive touch display is ideal for outdoor applications where rain or gloves won't interfere with its operation. With IPS technology and 16 million colors, this display looks fantastic from any angle. Plus, it's sunlight readable, boasting 850 nits of brightness. Imagine this in an indoor kiosk or as part of a portable medical device. This model shares the same pinout as our capacitive touch and no-touch versions, making integration a breeze. And yes, it's also available as a resistive touch EVE module. Last but not least, we have the CFAF 800-480E3-050SN display, perfect for applications where touch input isn't needed. This 5-inch TFT LCD is sunlight readable with IPS technology, ensuring no inversion at extreme viewing angles. With its standard 40-pin FBC ZIF connection and RGB interface, this display is perfect for showing lots of information, whether in an elevator, an entry system, or a dashboard. It's super bright and readable even in direct sunlight, making it ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Whether you need a display for indoor, outdoor, touch or no-touch applications, Crystal Fonts America has you covered. Discover the perfect display for your next project with our innovative and versatile options. As always, we have all the data sheets, 3D models, demo code, and anything else you'll need to get started working with these display modules. Visit crystalfonts.com today to learn more and get started with your next display project.
We have a display for that.